Hi, hello, namaste. My name is Shivangi and welcome back to my channel, The Tales of Homemaking. If you are new to my channel, I would love to have you as a subscriber. Please consider to subscribe, and if you have already did it, thank you so much and welcome back. So as you must have noticed from the title of the video that this is going to be my first unboxing video. So let's get into the video. When lockdown happened, lots of us were trying out the new recipes in the kitchen, and few of us were doing the Facebook challenges, and few of us were posting our videos on social media about the workout and their schedule for working from home. And at that point of time, a mother and daughter duo from Hyderabad decided to take care of their own skin by making some handmade soaps. The result came out that soaps turned out very beautiful and very amazing. Then they decided to give it another shot and take it to another level, and they formed a formal company named Shein. And that's the story behind Shein. I was very much fascinated when I got to know about it, and I hope you like this one as well. So they do all the customized handmade soaps, and the soaps are very beautiful. I mean, you look for yourself when I'll unbox. The soaps are so beautiful that it will enhance the look of your washroom even, because then you maybe after putting these soaps in your bathroom you don't need to accessorize with any artificial accessories. How cool is that? You're using a soap and you don't need to accessorize your washroom. That's super cool, and I'm very much excited to show you what I got. So let's get into it. So the soap comes in this box, and it's written with handmade with love and handcrafted from nature. There is in the back of box, everything is written, every ingredient and all of that. And there are the soaps, guys. These are so beautiful. And ऐसी soaps हो तो use करने का भी मन नहीं करेगा, I guess, because they are so beautiful. And this one is a little buggy shaped soap, and that's a toy soap. So I got three toy soaps and three normal soaps. And this one is a hippo soap, and this one is a flower soap, and that's, I guess, neem soap, and this one is from lavender. And this one is a popsicle one. I think this is exactly looking like an ice cream, and that's beautiful. There is one lemon soap as well I got. And these are looking so pretty, and I'm in love with these soaps. So that's a beautiful bundle of soap I got, and I've done my patch test. So make sure आप कोई भी चीज़ अपनी स्किन पर ट्राई करें तो उससे पहले आप पैच टेस्ट कर लें उस चीज़ का, so that आपको पता चल जाए कि it is reacting fine for your skin or not. So I've done my patch test and it turned out good, and there are no such allergies from the product for me and for my family. So I'm loving these soaps. For me, these are 100% safe. uh, there is this mild fragrance they leave in the washroom when you wash your hands with that every time. So I'm looking forward to use it more. So when it comes to the packaging, I'm very much 100% satisfied with the packaging, because soaps are so delicate and they can break easily. So the packaging is very solid. Nothing breaks out, because I've ordered some toy soap as well. So they come out perfectly fine. So packaging is very good. They're doing multi packets as well. They are doing customized soaps, and they're doing big nose and big yes. They are listening to their customer. If you do a customized soap and say that you are reactant, your skin is reacting with something else, so they are taking care of that, and they are making your own personalized soap according to your skin preferences. So that's very good for me. You can gift it to anybody. A couple who is moving into a new home, you can gift it to them. A family who is shifting to their new house, आप किसी भी baby shower में भी ये soaps दे सकते हैं, because as I have told you, these are customized. So आप newborn baby की एक theme के ऊपर आप इन सबको customize करा सकते हैं, and then you can order it to the newborn baby and mum. and that will look very beautiful as a gift. I am looking forward to gift it as a Diwali gift and as a Christmas gift to my friends and family, and I love it because these are so reasonable, and I'm going to gift something new this Diwali or this Christmas. So yeah, and how can you use them? So you can use it as a hand wash soap. This is completely gentle on your hand skin and completely nice. You can use it as your body soap, and this is completely fine as well because this is so mild, and choose according to your preferences. As I've told you, they can customize your soaps according to your skin choices, and that's why you can use it on your skin as well, face skin as well. But I would suggest you, before using it on your face skin, do try a patch test. So yes, for me this is working perfectly fine. And the last but not the least, and the most common frequently asked question is going to be how much it cost. So for me, I was unboxing it for the very first time, so I didn't pay any money, so I'm not sure about how much is it going to be, but I think it's costing around somewhere 200 to 300 for one soap. And if you are customizing it, you can just check out all the details on their Instagram page, and you can directly message them and they will reply hardly in 1 hour. So that's very good, and you can get the shipment anywhere across the world. I mean, they do UK, US, I know about that, and Canada as well, and all over India they do the shipment. So that's very good, and I think that's a pretty good deal for gifting purpose as well and for your personal use as well. And also I would like to say that they have done some amazing, I guess, candles also. So everything, every detail is on their Insta page, which I'm going to link down in the description box below, so you guys can check it out. And for me this is a win-win product and I'm loving this. So that's it from my side in today's video. I really hope that you like it, and if you like it, do let me know in the comment section below. And don't forget to check out their page on Instagram, and I'm going to link it down in the description box below. And thank you so much for watching.